Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you. And this time you are tuning into my 3125th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thank you for tuning in. I didn't bother calling my videographer today to have him come over because I literally thought the markets were changing gears and we were going to be buyers. So then I looked at the charts. The charts looked bullish. I did my Omni. So basically, the charts say go. And then I did my homework, and the Omni said no. And no is what I will look at unequivocally, no questions asked. Omni arrow says no. I'll worry about being bullish on the day the Omni arrow gets bullish. So I did all my charting in my head, looking at the stuff I look at. I thought we were going to be bullish. Omni says no, stay with the red Omni for another day. So for trading on Wednesday, 8/26/2026, we're starting off with the red Omni and E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russell 2000, those type of markets. So let's go look at why. Remember, trading is risky, 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 risky. Never trade without protective stops, especially in these crazy volatile markets. Make sure your stops go in any market, in any platform that allows you to place that stop first before you trade. Russell 2000 daily bar for trading on Wednesday, 8/26. Red Omni to start off, and that's that. That's what I follow as the Omni, right? Oscar's market navigational indicator. It tells me start off with selling rallies. That's what I'll do. The double top still remains unchallenged in Russ. The respect to the double top is still being paid, and this sure could be turned into a little bear flag right here, couldn't it? If you drew a line down here, capped off top and bottom of those, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'll be fast about it, but couldn't this be some kind of a flag building already right here? So, okay, Omni says stay short. Maybe Omni sees this flag. I don't know what Omni sees. It's got nothing to do with the stuff I'm looking at, but that could be a flag, no? So maybe it's a bear flag. Whatever Omni's saying is what I follow. Omni says stay with seller rallies. That's what we'll do. I will tell you this, do not fall in love with the downside, and you'll see why. Let's go look at another chart for trading on Wednesday. If you look at your NASDAQ chart, this all happens live, kids, so I'll straighten it out right before your eyes. The NASDAQ chart, we took a perfect short on Tuesday. Thank you, Omni. Right here, it made us get short. It was a beautiful trade. We made a lot of points. I don't know where it wants me to be short Wednesday, but it doesn't want me to be long, so that's what it is. It's not looking happy. It's still below this average. It's still dropping. Omni says stay with the shorts, yes, but a reminder, do not fall in love with the downside. Now, why? Let's go look at some of that reasoning. Right off the bat, we're going to do this. I showed you this in last night's video. If you're going to look at this in a slightly longer term view, NASDAQ is in a bull flag. At the end of a bull flag's life, it's usually a breakout to the upside. But while it's building, it can gyrate inside of this flag from top to bottom, back to top, down to bottom. That's fair game. It's okay to gyrate inside the flag while still being in a bull market. So do not fall in love with the downside when you're looking at a slightly longer term view. Weekly, but of course, the daily I just showed you shows us that we can get short. And then, of course, one more reminder why you cannot fall in love with the downside is the E-mini weekly chart. If you look at the E-mini S&P weekly chart, no real damage done yet. What does that mean? Well, the all-time high ever traded in E-mini S&P's life is right here. You're looking at the all-time high in that circle. We're trading right here. We are this far from the all-time high. You know what I'm saying? Don't fall in love with the downside. We're not ready for falling in love with that yet. No real damage has been done yet. But it's okay to day trade. When the Omni wants us to sell, we do. When it wants us to buy, we do that as well. Just letting you know if you're thinking a big crash is coming, not yet, not from what we see. Day trade play is another story. Now let's go out and look at something else. Let's go look at this guy. We're going to go back to chart 8, if I remember right. And we're going to change up what we're looking at. So let's do this. Let's look at the bond chart, but let's turn it into a daily and we'll see what that looks like. Look at the bonds. Remember about don't fall in love with the downside? One of the biggest reasons why the stock market was having trouble was because the bond market keeps dropping. Big drop into a bear flag, pull into a bear flag, another drop, even more dropping. Boom. All of this bad juju for the stock market when 30-year T-bonds are dropping like that. Why? Because when T-bonds drop, you watch interest rates move before your own eyes. The Fed, whoosh, no one has to say a word. If the T-bond 30-year and 10-year markets are dropping, interest rates that banks are charging are rising inherently before your eyes. Bad juju when that's going on, but this is a little dose of good juju right here. This is good juju. Why? Because bonds have been going up. Look at this. Up, 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 up. All right. It's in, you could call it an upwards trajectory channel there for the moment. So for that reason, and for this reason, crude oil. Look at crude. This is also good juju for the markets. Crude is starting to drop. So for those two reasons, plus how close we are in proximity to the all-time highs on a weekly chart in S&P, don't fall in love with the downside, all right? I get it. You want to trade from the short side. Just don't fall in love with that downside. Now, check this out. OMNIX, the Omni trading token, I told you, a seller came out of the woodwork last night and decided he wanted to liquidate. Now, listen. People in the world have problems. Things come up. You need your money. And I asked you, OMNIX, would you go out and please defend the Omni token for me? And here's what you did. Thank you so much, OMNIX. This was the OMNIX who needed to get out. And look at what we did as a community. You, OMNIX, went in and bought it up just as I asked you to do. Thank you, OMNIX, for being here. That's so cool of you. Now, what's next? You want to hear something insane? I always tell the truth. We get this opportunity to buy more Omni. It's a perfect time to make money. I jump into Coinbase. I buy a bunch of Solana. I try to move the Solana to my account so I can buy Omni. Stopped. I'm in a loop for the last 36 hours now. I am stuck in a loop with Coinbase. And we just keep going in circles. I take the stupid video. I say my 3 numbers, turn sideways. It just keeps failing. Anyway, I have an appointment with them tomorrow. I will straighten that out. If not, I'm leaving Coinbase. See you later. Hasta la vista. I'm sure they recognize that. I've told them already. But I haven't been able to participate. I'm watching all you guys buy this cheap Omni and I can't get in. But congratulations to all of you. Do yourselves a favor. Keep buying more. I will join you immediately. Hopefully, as soon as I get freed up, I'll be in there with you cats. But watching it and me going, oh my God, I can't get in. At least you guys did. Congratulations. Smart move. Viva la OMNIPHOENIX. Keep buying it, kids. It's going to go much higher this year. You'll see. OMNIX around the world, as you can see, protect one another. When the trader needed to liquidate, everybody came in and let him out. They bought his tokens, her tokens, and away we go. Great job, OMNIX. Keep doing that, and I promise it will pay off for you. What do we have left? Let's go back here. And remember, do not fall in love with the downside. A little peck on the cheek, and it's okay. And then remember this. Stop so in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. Make sure you join me at Live with Oscar. Please leave your comments below. I answer all of them. Like and share these videos everywhere you can. I will see you at the website. Have a great day trading. I hope the information in this video helps.